Sa gwapuhon ko dagalit nga pa kaysa Manong Juni, happy 60th birthday Manong. Ang wish ko sa imo nga birthday nga tani maglawi ka pa sa kalibutan kag mayo lang for me nga pangawason. God bless you always Manong. I miss you, I love you.
Happy birthday, John! May God bless you always. Good health, long life. Enjoy your day. We miss you.
Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday, Manong. Happy birthday, Papa Johnny. Love you. Mwah.
Happy 60th birthday, Manong Juni. Long time we did not see each other. I hope you will have a great birthday celebration and good health for you. Miss you. Happy birthday, Manong Juni. Wish you good health and more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Nong Juni. God bless.
Hey, Manong Juni.
Happy birthday, Mama Johnny.
God bless you always. Have enjoy your day. Mwah.
Nong, happy birthday! Sa kanya, senior ka na. Happy birthday la.